But John, what about open houses? Won't that sell my house? Stick around if you really want to find out. Welcome back. John Sump here with the Home Brokerage. We're always putting your home first. So the question I get a lot is, are you going to do an open house? And my answer most of the time is no. Open houses are a huge waste of time. The reason most open houses are done is one of two reasons. Number one, it's a newer agent, doesn't know what else to do other than put 2 or 3 signs out and put an ad in the paper and hope somebody comes by that's wanting to buy your home. Think about the likelihood of that. Somebody's going to happen to be driving around the area and just happen to see the sign and just happen to go to your house, and that's the one they're going to buy. Doesn't happen that way. The other reason open houses are done by experienced agents, and I don't want to say this is necessarily a bad thing, but the reason why experienced agents do it is one main reason. It gets them more clients. See, those people that come to look at the house are your neighbors. That's who comes to the open houses. They want to see how you decorate. They want to see the inside of your house. They're nosy. The fact of the matter is that if you take a look at this chart right here, open houses isn't even on the chart. I didn't build that chart. That chart came from the National Association of Realtors. Because what sells the home is the marketing, the agent. It says right here, the agent's 29%, the internet's 35%. The yard sign alone is 11%. Nowhere on here, over here, do you see open houses. Now, what you see on TV, that's make me up. That's make believe. That's television. If you're selling $1 million houses in Beverly Hills, that might work. But for your average home, it's not going to happen. You can get lucky, but think about this. How many open houses have you been to? How many did you buy? How many of your friends have been to open houses, and how many did they buy? Sure, it happens occasionally. That's extremely anecdotal. It doesn't happen. The reason it's done is to get the agent more clients. So, if you have any other questions about open houses, please give me a call. I'd be glad to talk to you about it. If this has been helpful, don't waste your time doing an open house. It's not worth it. Price it right, market it right, and get as many people into that house as possible. Not just hold it open for the neighbors so they can come case your house and come back later and rob you. Anyways, thanks. This has been helpful. As always, please share it and like it and make it a great day. Bye-bye.